Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 3 over x minus y minus 4 over x plus y is equal to negative 1 and 9 over x minus y plus 10 over x plus y is equal to 8 to find the value of x squared minus y squared. In here, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. In next step, we let 1 over x minus y as u and 1 over x plus y as v. And in next step, if we multiply u times v, in here, u times v is equal to 1 over x minus y times 1 over x plus y. And it will be 1 over this times this, it will be x squared minus y squared. And we want to find the value of x squared minus y squared. So in here, uv is 1 over x squared minus y squared. So we reverse both sides of this equation and it will be x squared minus y squared is equal to 1 over u times v. So we want to find the value of 1 over u times v. In next step, we rewrite these two equations, and from equation 1, we have 3 over x minus y, and x minus y is u, so 3 over x minus y, it will be 3u, and minus 4 over x plus y, and it will be 4v is equal to negative 1. And from equation 2, we have, in here it will be 9u plus 10v is equal to 8, right? So in here, 9u plus 10v is equal to 8. And here we multiply this equation by 5. So this by 5 and this equation we multiply by 2. So it will be in here. This by 5 it will be 3 times 5 is 15u minus 4 times 5 is 20v is equal to negative 5. And this equation by 2 it will be 18u plus 20v is equal to 16. And here we add these two equations together and it will be 15u plus 18u, it will be 33u, and negative 20v plus 20v it will be 0, and this is equal to negative 5 plus 16, it will be 11. And from here, u is equal to 1 over 3, right? We divide both sides of the equation by 33. And from equation 1, this equation, 3u minus 4v is equal to negative 1. And 3u, it will be 1. So we write 1 minus 4v is equal to negative 1. And we take this to this side and negative 1 to this side. So 1 plus this 1, it will be 2 is equal to 4v. And v from here is 1 over 2. So we have the value of u and v. And to find the value of x squared minus y squared, we write x squared minus y squared is equal to 1 over u times v. And it will be 1 over u is 1 over 3. 1 over 3 times 1 over 2. And it will be 1 over 6. And this is equal to 6, right? In here, we can write this one as 1 over 1. And in here, we multiply this times this and this times this. And it will be 6 over 1 over 6. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.